Hi, I'm Ankita. Today, we will talk about GSTIN, that is GST Identification Number. Any dealer registered under state VAT law has a unique TIN number issued by the respective state tax authorities, while a service provider is assigned a service tax registration number by the Central Board of Excise and Customs. Going forward, in the new GST regime, all these taxpayers will get consolidated into one single platform for compliance and administration purposes and will be assigned registration under a single authority. All of these businesses will be assigned a unique Goods and Service Tax Identification Number, GSTIN. Let's understand your GST Identification Number. Every taxpayer will be assigned a state-wise PAN-based Goods and Services Taxpayer Identification Number, which will be 15 digits long. The first two digits of the GSTIN will represent the state code according to Indian Census 2011. As per the census, each state has a unique two-digit code like 27 for Maharashtra, 10 for Bihar. So if a business has its operations in Maharashtra, then the first two digits of its Maharashtra GSTIN will be 27. The next 10 digits of the GSTIN, that is third digit to the 12th digit, will be the PAN number of the taxpayer. 13th digit indicates the number of registrations an entity has within a state for the same PAN. It will be an alphanumeric number and will be assigned on the basis of number of registrations a legal entity has within one state. For example, if a legal entity has single or one registration only within a state, then it will be assigned the number 1 as the 13th digit of the GSTIN. If the same legal entity gets another or second registration for a second business vertical within the same state, then the 13th digit of the GSTIN assigned to this entity will become 2. Similarly, if an entity has 11 registrations in the same state, then it will be assigned letter B in the 13th place. So this way, up to 35 business verticals of any legal entity can be registered within a state using this system. The 14th digit currently has no use and therefore will be Z by default. The last digit will be a check code which will be used for detection of errors. We hope you found this useful. For more information on such topics, please visit hrblog.in.